Hey, two friends. So my next kit is going to be this Ford Bronco 73 Bronco from Revell, and the level is 5, so this should be a very interesting kit to build. I really like sport utility vehicles, and the Bronco is one of the granddaddies of modern sport utility vehicles, so looking forward to building this. So this is how it's supposed to look like in the end. We will see. And I think that you have a choice of building it with the hardcover or with the cover off. So, with a roll bar. So that should be interesting. All right. So it looks like, let's see what's in here. Get my scissors. These look like wheel pins, and these are the tires. Yeah, the typical Revell, they're hard plastic. I mean, they have some rubberization, so to speak, but they tend to be a little too hard for my liking. I prefer Tamiya tires because they are actually rubber. And these are the clear parts, side windows, rear windows, front windows, headlights. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging because it tracks dust, and it just gets scratchy really fast, so I'm going to just leave it in there. So this is the body and the roof, hood. Nice surface details, crisp paneling. I see that they have the rear and front driving lights, reflectors molded on. I would prefer to be a separate part, but it's not a big deal. So engine bay. See how this fits. Okay. So this is what it should look like. A little bit of flashing. I mean, I can feel it. So shouldn't be too big of a deal to clean up. Let me see, let me check for mold lines. There aren't that many, but we'll see when I start painting this. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of trees, part trees. I don't know how many parts are here, but there's a good amount. Seats, they look like they're molded separately, which I'm not very fond of, but again, that's nothing can't be fixed or dealt with. For whatever reason, I don't like seats that are molded separately. For whatever reason, I really have a hard time trying to get rid of the mold of the gaps when I glue them together. I don't know why, regardless of what I do. These look like, hoses and wheel parts. Steering wheel, chassis, dashboard, seats, more seat parts. And this is the frame. The Ford Bronco, I believe, was a body-on-frame SUV, so I think this replicates it nicely. I don't know what the rest of these parts are. These look like shock springs or springs for the suspension. These are this. I think this is the differentials and axles. Wheel parts. Looks like the carburetor, engine. Spare tires, engine parts, fan. I'm not going to be detailing the engine in this kit. I've just decided it's just not my thing. I don't really like it that much, so I'm just going to build it, paint it one color and not make it really super detailed. And probably seal the, this is the engine hood. I'm probably going to seal it up, glue it up. And side door guard. Looks like the front windshield. And then this is the chrome tree. Front rear bumper, front grille, windshield wipers, hubcaps. It's a little bit shiny for my taste. I'm probably going to do something to reduce the intensity of the shine. Usually I just spray a quick spray with semi-gloss, and that reduces the shine, the shininess to an acceptable level for me. So anyway, here's the instructions. What I'm going to do is I'm going to photograph these instructions and then each part, so you can have a close look at it if you want to, by stopping the video. Here's the decals. Side white side license plates, instrument. I think these were the seats. So I'm going to photograph all these so you have a good idea of what you'll be getting when you purchase this kit. So thanks for watching.